Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be talking about Odell Beckham Jr. cutting his hair. So this is the iconic hairstyle that OBJ has had for probably 3 or 4 years, maybe longer, maybe not as long, but this is an iconic hairstyle, and it's crazy to see that he actually cut it. So it's really cool to see the process of kind of where he started and now where he is. Now, I will tell you one thing, Odell Beckham Jr. is my favorite football player, hands down. He's just a beast. Everyone knows that he's really famous for his crazy catches, and let's admit it, he's just overall really good. But in today's video, we're just talking about his hair, which was very iconic when he had it. And this is a hairstyle that was almost mimicked, we can say it that way, by LaMelo Ball when he had his hair like this. Now, I'm not saying that LaMelo copied Odell. I can't say that Odell was out before LaMelo. So you guys can comment down below. Do you think LaMelo copied Odell Beckham? I know a lot of people have copied Odell Beckham's hairstyle. People still rock it. People rock it from LaMelo as well. Who do you think rocked it best? Comment down below. One thing that took a turn on Odell Beckham's hair is when he started getting the dreadlocks on the front of his hair. This is something that separated him from a lot of people. Even though there were people that have done this before, people started getting their hair like that afterward. We seen Super Saiyan Social, not saying that he copied him, but he did it afterward. And I can say that that was a hairstyle that was pretty popular, but it's kind of like a bold move to do. But one thing that's crazy is that he actually cut his iconic hair. And I think that's a huge thing. It's cool to see people like OBJ, like LaMelo Ball, and many other people that have iconic hairstyles cut their hair, because let's face it, hair is just hair. And I'm not sure if he's gonna regrow his hair. You would think that he'd cut all the way down to the scalp and then start waving, but it looks like he left a few inches, and he might just go back to the way his hair looked before he bleached it. But I'll tell you the truth, his hair looks super dope right now. I think OBJ just has a really cool style overall. Besides his actual hairstyle, he has a great sense of fashion. But what do you think OBJ will do next? Do you think he's gonna do a different hairstyle, or is he gonna stick with this one for a while? I feel like he's gonna do something. I feel like he has something cooking up in his head, figuring out what he's gonna do next, because he does have a great sense of fashion and he does have like a cool style. So I think he's gonna add like a cool spin to what he's doing with his hair now. But then again, this could just be a step so that he can go even shorter and then eventually get waves. But overall, what do you guys think about his new haircut? I personally think it looks really cool. It would have been cool to see him get a full head of dreads before he chops all of his hair off, but you never know. Maybe he will start dreadlocks in the future. Maybe he might go the wave route. Comment down below what you want to see him do, or comment down below what you think he's going to do. But you guys, other than that, make sure to go check out the Dreadlocks Instagram page, because if you do tag Dreadlocks on Instagram, you can be featured on the page, the channel, and even the website. But on that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.